the most difficult part of any actor is going to be making somebody laugh, and making somebody laugh is should probably be coming so naturally to the great Charlie Chaplin, because the man who made others laugh is the man who suffered the most in his life. But having said all this, why am I giving so much gyan on this video is because here we are trying to talk about the comedy club of our Presidency University, and they have done a fantastic event that just got concluded on the eve of Navratri, and it was my privilege to put all of them together, because they are so responsible in their life. They have started earning, they are running out a family, they have kids to make sure they take after, they look after them. So much responsibility with these guys. I was not having time, and they had so much time in their life that they couldn't put out one video together. But having said that, what is the name of the comedy club? That is what is important. We have Sudhangi here, the main coordinator of the comedy club. Sudhangi, fantastic to put such talented people across. एक बार दिखा दे सब talent को. The real talented people across. And how did you even get to manage these guys? I mean, do they listen to you?
So just like you said, no, I am their mother, so they have to
Yeah.
follow my rules and all those things.
Exactly. No. If I like this because any girl doing this will make sure all the people across follow and listen to what the head of the family says. Lovely. And the name of the comedy club is?
So Commodios. So there's a long story behind it.
Please tell it short. We don't have so much time on the video. लोग skip कर देंगे.
According to me, like when I think the most naughty or most interesting or most funny jokes is when I go and poop.
Okay.
So
I expected that because the name actually suggested, but then I was trying to be decent enough and say,
comedy doesn't involve decency, sir.
No, I know. Very good.
So in Hindi, washroom or toilet, it means commode.
Correct.
Like this. So we came up with the word.
that is in English, no? Commode.
Sir, in Hindi also we.
is commode. ये कब बदला बे तूने? Okay, right.
So we came up with Commodios because we come up with the most funny jokes while we are cleaning ourselves.
What a divine thought. Can we clap for that, please? What a divine thought. Literally, and that too, the most cleaned person is, of course, Priyank Soni. Now, don't ask me how many times you go to the loo in a day to be the most clean. Bhai, tell me, is the name justifying to everybody else and people listening to it, because it is such a purity that you're trying to spread across with this name?
Exactly. But apart from this as well, like comedios, como and adios, it's a Greek word,
Right.
so which means comedy.
Right.
So philosophically, or like if you say the word thing, that
Right.
Greek word also means comedios, and in a funny way,
Okay.
commode.
Right, there we go. This reminds me of the song Pigly song of Dhanush and Amitabh Bachchan together, where they were putting out a commode of golden commode, and the song happened on those lines, and Amitabh Bachchan sings from the commode. This tie is sponsored by Sudhangi. She said we are all lawyers, and Naveen, come across, I will make you wear this tie, and she tied it for me. Sudhangi, thank you so much. First time in my life some beautiful girl is tying a tie for me. मतलब control में रखने के लिए, and now I understood how you control these fellows. when you can put this on me and control me. Yeah, fantastic. And we have of course Himanshu there. He's been around, he's got a lot of talent. लेकिन तू यहाँ कॉमेडी में कैसे घुस गया? I mean, कॉमेडी उसमें कैसे घुस गया?
सर जिंदगी मजाक है तो थोड़ा मजाक कर लेते सोचा हमने भी.
Right.
यही था सर बस हमारा घुसने का मोटिव भी.
Fantastic. And also, but tell me, Anurag, you are there, and you are also been along with the Women Empowerment Club also. A lot of times I've been seeing you across. I thought you were a serious fellow. So how come you got so serious in comedy?
सर हमारी ज़िंदगी के साथ काफ़ी मजाक हो रहे थे,
Right.
तो हमने सोचा हम भी थोड़ी कर लेते हैं.
Right.
और हमने लॉ ले रखी है,
Right.
और वो अब हमारी ले रही है. मतलब सर बहुत सीरियस चीज़ें हैं हमारी लाइफ में हो रही हैं. तो वैसे भी हम हॉस्टल में रहते हैं, और हॉस्टल बॉयज़ हॉस्टल कंटेंट देते हैं.
Yes.
वहाँ हम पढ़ने के लिए नहीं जाते हैं, वहाँ हम कंटेंट लेने के लिए जाते हैं, कुछ सीखने के लिए जाते हैं. हम वो पूरी तरीके से सीख रहे हैं सर, और स्टेज में जाके सर वो हम दूसरों को बता रहे हैं और सिखा रहे हैं, अपना एक्सपीरियंस वहाँ पे दे रहे हैं सर. वी आर ट्राइंग अवर बेस्ट.
And inspiring others to come and join your hostel also.
या बिल्कुल, बस पानी खुद लेके आए.
Right, but we have Suhas also around here. And Suhas, ನೀನು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹೇರ್ ಕಟ್ ಬೇರೆ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ.
ಇಂಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ
ಹುಡುಗಿರನ್ನ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ ಗುರು ನೀನು?
ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ.
ಸರಿ ಸರಿ ಸರಿ, ವಿಡಿಯೋಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಮಿಡಿ ಫಾರ್ ಯು?
ಸರ್ ಕಾಮಿಡಿ ಏನಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ನಿಜ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಫನ್ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಅದೊಂದು ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡು ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜೀವನ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಲೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ತಿಳಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಸರ್ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Fantastic, fantastic. And also Gautam is around, and I didn't get your name, sorry.
Atul.
Atul also is here. Gautam, the ready fellow. Right. So along with all this, how is that you're trying to make sure, what kind of a comedy that went on stage for you?
So the kind of comedy that went on stage is because we have a lot of friends, and when friends get together, things go way a lot of out of way. So the out of ways is what we portray on the stage, and that out of ways is what we get memories from. So the beauty of friendship is what makes the comedy, sir.
Wow. My God, so deep, so deep. Beauty of friendship is make out the comedy. My God, Sudhangi, really must say you've got a very, very decent fellows. I am so happy for you that you got such a nice team. But tell me, what is the future plans of your club, and what actually you're trying to do along with this? Because this is just your first event, and a lot of things lined up ahead. Of course, you have support from all the lovely guys. I might be, joking around with them, but they are really lovely people. What is lined up next?
So our main motive is to make everyone laugh. We get through a whole lot of hectic schedule for the whole week. So we'll eventually come up with one more event where everyone can come, laugh, laugh out loud. So soon enough we'll come with, this was a hostel event, maybe we'll come up with some more fun. Maybe we'll come up with girls hostel event.
That's interesting. And Himanshu is like totally shy about it. He's already gone red. Look at that. Look at that. Zoom into him. Look at girls hostel. The moment it's been told, why you become red? Why? Tell me.
कुछ नहीं सर, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. So fantastic. All the very best, guys. Do well. And also one thing to tell about, I should be something asking about Priyank also. Comedy along with the lines of Charlie Chaplin, because I was trying to tell that in the beginning of the video, that a person who's really hurt inside in his life can make people laugh. What about you on comedy lines, please?
A day without laughter is a life wasted. That is what I think about comedy.
So sweet. Very well said. Thank you so much, everybody. So keep making sure that everybody laughs out loud, and you keep making sure that you don't go towards the girls' hostel. Go to boys' hostel. Thank you. Acha, Himanshu also don't go towards that road. Thank you so much. Keep watching more videos on our Presence University YouTube channel. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you.